Hello, this is oil extractor machine. Actually, if you want to make it the fresh oil, like any type of seed, example this for the peanuts or sunflower seeds, watermelon seeds, any type of seeds. If you want to make the oil, this is the oil extractor machine. Very good in working. So many people are looking for the oil extractor. Now we have available for this. If anybody need the oil extractor machine, please you can contact with us. We'll give you the number of the video so anybody can contact by WhatsApp or by the call. No problem. It is available in Dubai, Knife Street, Al Basha Kitchen. Okay. So if anybody want, you can contact with us, please. And any type of kitchen equipment you can inquire to us. Even by WhatsApp you can send the photo so we can give you the photo details with the price for juice dispenser, for the popcorn machine, shawarma machine, chicken grill machine, cooker, ice cream machine, flat grill, any type of equipment you can contact with us. Everything is available with us from A to Z. All we can support you. We can give you the good things. Even price also better price, good price, wholesale price. No problem. So anytime please try to contact with us.